Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to download any movie that is not released yet or in legal way. So first go to your Chrome browser or Google that you use to access a Google or something. First type yts.mx. So you can see it's loading with a list of films. After that you can search on the film you like I try missing link. Missing link is a movie that was released in 2019. It's fine enough guys, and the description is given here. So you can click on download. So after that you need to for that it will show download Blu-ray 720p, 1080p and web in various formats. Now you need to download uTorrent. uTorrent is used to get the torrent files. Go to then again the Google, type uTorrent. After loading uTorrent, Windows downloads, click uTorrent download and never uh, never buy you can buy uTorrent, but it's high cost, so you can download the free version. It's same as it. So after downloading it, click download. So you can see a torrent file was downloaded in this thing and you click it. After that automatically uTorrent will be loaded. I click yes and you can see I have downloaded many films from the same website. You have many websites to use. I have downloaded it before, so it's not downloading. Missing link and you can see it's working properly. I downloaded missing link and it's coming with the image of the website YTSLT, YTSAM, YTSAG. Then you can just go to missing link. Then you are able to play it.
Lord.
You can see the full movie is downloaded. So guys, subscribe.
You are right to take him to his kind, where he belongs.
Then you will guide us.
Like, comment below, and click on the notification bell to be updated with my videos. I will upload how to download movies in legal way in single also. Thank you guys for if you watch until the end. Thank you.